I'm Greg Casey, data scientist at Sartorius, and I'm going to show you the new features in SIMCA 18 that further support Python script developers in adding custom functionality to their SIMCA projects. There are several changes that I'm going to show within the Developer tab that make it easier for you to create your custom scripts. First, the Create New Script button has been updated with more appropriate descriptions of the types of scripts that you can implement. So, for example, a pre-processing script now explicitly says that this is the option you want if you want to run your scripts in real time, either within a SIMCA Online environment or within SIMCA Queue. There's also a new type of script here called a vector. And this allows you to implement a custom formula to generate a new vector of data that can be used in custom plots. So you would use this script to calculate some new metrics for your observations, and then use SIMCA's built-in plotting functionality to quickly visualize the results. Or you can use it to plot your custom metric against other data vectors already within SIMCA, such as the scores. Within all of these script types is also a new option to automatically create a unit test. And this can be helpful later for debugging, especially if your scripts get large. Also within the Developer tab is a new button to reload scripts. So in previous versions of SIMCA, if you made changes to some specific script types, you would have to restart the software in order for those changes to take effect. Now clicking the Reload Scripts button will refresh the SIMCA environment, and it will reflect all of the changes in your scripts. And then finally, and perhaps most useful, is a new SIMCA scripting guide within the Python help button. And if I open that up, we can see there are a lot of resources here to help both new and experienced Python scripters. So if you're just getting started with using Python within SIMCA, there are a couple tutorials here to walk you through some of the steps that you need to take. There's also some information here around managing your packages. How do we bring new external libraries into the SIMCA environment? And then finally, all of our reference documentation has been updated. So within here, you can quickly see all of the classes that are available within the umetrics package. Also, as you dig around in here, you'll notice some new functions that have been added, particularly one that streamlines the process of moving your data from SIMCA into a pandas data frame, where you can more easily manipulate it and then right back to SIMCA.